Hi there, Alvaro here. In today's video, I want to show you a traffic method that I have been using for the last few years to get me some leads into my mailing list and therefore over a period of time obviously getting some sales also. Now, before I get started, please have the right expectations. This is not a method that is gonna get you hundreds of leads every single day unless you do a lot of manual work and you get very lucky. So if you do a little bit of this every day, you should get a few leads, but please have the right expectations. Okay, I want to be completely transparent with you guys every time I share anything with you. Okay, so this particular website is called Cash Blurbs, and as I say, I've used it for a number of years. Big promise, how to easily get hundreds of other people to send you free traffic, clicks, leads, commissions, and sales. Now I'm going to show you inside my own account so you can see how it actually works. But in a nutshell, it's a website where you can publish your advertisement with your link for your business opportunity or affiliate link. And in turn, other people will have to share your link in their social media accounts, giving you extra exposure. So what I like about Cash Blurbs is that you've got two options. You can become a free member and stay free forever, although there is a limitation. I think you can only place, I don't know if it's one or I can't remember, to be honest, don't quote me on this. Maybe you can place maybe 10 ads every day as a free member. As a paid member, which I'm going to move this here, costs $20 a month, you can place an ad every 20 minutes. So technically, if you were placing adverts constantly, you'll be placing 72 ads in a 24-hour period. So if you want to sign up, you enter your email, you create a password, and then you've got the option to create a free membership, which I recommend you do. Start as a free member so you get a feeling of how it actually works and if it's something you want to keep on doing and to keep using for your business. Or another one which is pretty good is the $7 offer, in which you've got access to the site for full 15 days to post, as I mentioned before, 72 ads per day on Cash Blurbs. So in a irrational world, if you were working 24/7 placing ads during 15 days, you'd be placing over 1,000 ads for $7. You will get some leads, that's for sure, and you will get, at least you will get people in your mailing list for sure. And that's what I always recommend to my team members in my primary business, is to not to send people directly to an offer, but to send them always to an opt-in before you give the goodies and before you promote any offer. There are very few occasions where you actually don't need to get people to opt in, but usually get people to opt in and then you give the information. Anyway, I'm going off the tangent now. So do that, become a free member, or try the $7 traffic package that will allow you to place as many ads as you want every single day. All right. So how does it work? Well, I'm going to show you the inside of my own account. I think it's where am I? I think it's here. Okay, so this is my own account. You will see when you get in that here says a current top 10 Cash Blurbs. Basically, the person that places the last adverts gets put on the top, and below are the people that place the oldest ads. So when you come here, the first thing you need to know, or you need to do before placing your ad, is that you must share one ad in your social media account, wherever you prefer. So if you have a Facebook account or Facebook page or a Twitter account, you can basically come down here, click on copy, okay? And that you can paste into your Facebook account. All right? Once that is shared, the system will recognize it and will allow you to scroll down and enter your own ad here. This is one of my old ones. So you put this, you put your link, in this case, this one, and you will simply select the category. So for instance, if you're promoting a business opportunity online, you will choose online business, and then you'll simply click on submit, and then you will see that your ad will go to the top. Okay, it will be where this girl is. That will be your ad. Now, as a paid member, apart of being able to place so many ads per day, there is something called as well, I think it's called cash blurb, or make it a feature blurb, which it explains what it is here. You can read all about it, but it gives you the chance to get triple the exposure. Just read about it, you will know what it is. I always, every time I place an ad, I make it a feature blurb. It takes me a few more seconds of my time, but it's well worth it. And, by the way, your ad will get pumped up to the top, I think it's every 20 minutes or something like that. So eventually, if you are placing loads and loads of adverts, you could be completely dominating this page, all right? So anybody new will pretty much have to share your own ad into their social media account. So, before I keep rambling about this particular method, why I like it is because when you get in, all these people advertising are people that are gonna see your link, your business, your affiliate program. Therefore, these people are open-minded because they are also marketers. They are there to promote their own stuff. So they don't need convincing. They are not gonna be skeptical. They are basically people who are open-minded, just like yourself, and they'll happily check your link as well. So you've got the opportunity to get some of these people into your team, into your service, into your affiliate program. And not only that, is that if these people have a big following on social media, once they publish your link in their Facebook or Twitter account, for them to be able to place their next ad, what will happen is not only you get a marketer, someone already sold in the idea of making money from home, but you will get your link in front of potentially dozens, hundreds, even thousands of people that might be able to see your ad and click on your link. Okay? So as I said before, it's a nice method to do it every day. You have to do it consistently and persistently to see results. But in order to see results, you need to track your links. So that's what I'm going to show you now, what I use to track my links. You might have seen my link already, but what I use is a service called Lead Clips, which is it's just an amazing tool. Okay, to explain you what it is will be another video. But the thing I'm going to be using inside my account would be to come here, track links. You will click on add a new track link. You will put the URL of the product or service you're promoting. You will click on add now, and then you will get something like this. Okay, like some of the links I created lately, which will give you it will look like this basically. And you'll be able to track, like in this case, you can see in this particular link, I had 795 people visiting, unique 664. I had 77 responses, which it will mean the people that opting into my page. So this allows you to track if you're actually getting results. Okay. Now, if you're not in Lead Clips, I'm going to leave a link below so you can join. Again, disclaimer, if you join, which you can join for free, by the way, but if you decide to become a pro member, which I am, because it's a very, very good service, and it's not just to track links, you can do rotators, you can build your mailing list within this system. You can create pages. I mean, it's got image hosting, so you can host up to 500 images within the system, and it's very affordable. Okay, so leave you the link below. Full disclosure, it's my affiliate link. Okay, I use it myself. I will never recommend or promote something that I don't use myself. So having said that, you will get your, for example, this will be my tracking link, and you will come and basically place it here. Okay, as you can see, I also used it myself, and that will allow you to track the results. If you see that you get many clicks and you're getting opt-ins, then you know it's worth to keep on being a free member or being a paid member. That's something you have to evaluate, but the tools are there. So that's it for this particular video. I hope you like it. Not many people talk about this particular source, but I think it can be pretty good to use on a daily basis. It doesn't take too long to place an advert. It takes maybe a couple of minutes to copy and paste another member's advert into your social media account, and then it's just basically a minute to copy and paste your own ad that other people who are also marketers will see and will promote in their own page, potentially getting hundreds of people and eyeballs into your offer. So good luck with it. I'll leave you the links below so you can sign up, and I suggest you start for free so you can sign up into Cash Blurbs. And if you don't have an account with Lead Lips, again, it's free to join. I'm also going to give you down below a little book which you can download or read online. You don't need to do any opt-in, which is called One Sign Up a Day Strategy, which will give you an overview of what you should be doing in order to get signups into your main business opportunity, if you have any. All right, so that's for it. That's all for today. I hope you find it valuable, and feel free to leave any comments. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, take good care. Bye-bye.